Ever tried copying text from a PDF into a Word document and ended up with a messy format? We have all been there, but there's a better way. You can simply convert the PDF to a Word file while keeping the original text format intact. In this video, we'll show you the easiest and best way to turn your PDFs into editable Word files in just a few clicks. First, download and install Systweak PDF editor on your Windows computer. You can use the download link in the description. Now, open the PDF you want to convert. Once opened, go to the Convert option on the top bar. Then click on the Convert to drop-down menu and select PDF to Word. A pop-up menu will appear. On the pop-up menu, click on Convert to Word. In a few seconds, your PDF will be converted to a Word file. Click OK, then click Open to view your converted Word file. Now let's see how you can convert multiple PDF files to Word format all at once. To do this, go to Batch Process and select Batch Convert. Drag and drop the PDF file into the window. Click on Output Format and select Word. Choose an output folder and finally click on the Convert to Word button. The conversion will start, and within a few seconds, the tool will convert all the PDF files into Word and save them in the output folder. Here are the PDFs, and these are the Word files we created from them. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.